On to the latest on Suzlon. The group's German subsidiary, Senvion SE, has signed an agreement with a consortium of global banks to increase financing framework to €850 million for a 3-year period. Nisha Podar, who broke the story first on 18, now joins us on the phone line. Nisha, thank you so much for being with us today. Now tell us how exactly will the funding be utilized?
Thanks, Krishna, for that. Of course, this is the part of an overall and a multi-pronged strategy by Suzlon to repay its debt, the huge CDR that it's into, over 9,500 crore rupees. So the first step has been taken by Senvion, which is a 100% subsidiary of Suzlon. With this kind of money, sources do suggest that they are going to buy 2 businesses from Suzlon. The important one, the OMS, that is operations, maintenance and servicing, as well as WTG, which is wind turbine generator manufacturing businesses. So these 2 businesses will be bought over by Senvion, and this kind of a cash that they are raising will be released to Suzlon so that they can utilize the funds to repay a part of the debt. On the other hand, what it will do to Senvion is boost its value, and therefore it can go ahead with an IPO, a listing on the London Stock Exchange, for which Suzlon is looking at selling about 25% stake in the company to raise a little over $600 million, and they're expecting a valuation of over $2 billion. So this clearly is part of the entire strategy of bringing Suzlon back out of the CDR and repaying the debt, and this is the first step that has been taken. Of course, earlier we had talked about and broken the news on the entire strategy that Suzlon is going to take up for using these funds in terms of repaying the debt. So first step has been taken by Senvion, and the asset sales from Suzlon could be the next step that we could be looking at, Krishna.